Welcome to this interview from the Embedded World in Nuremberg. I am here together with Stefan Skarin. He is President and CEO at IAR Systems. Welcome.
Thank you.
Today we will talk about code quality and security. Stefan, what are you presenting at the show?
We are presenting a couple of new products, of course, but I think we are also presenting into the concept of code quality. It's really popular, it's really a trend here at the show. Security, there's a lot of security talk.
It's a big topic all over.
It is. And we actually launched a product in code quality for static analysis. So we started last year with announcing a product as a runtime analysis tool. So we want to offer the customers a suite of products for code analysis to improve quality, to improve a development workflow, to get code quality early in the process, to check the code, but also to give code compliance to industry alignments like MISRA standards, CSAT standards, and other standards. So there's a lot of talk about these standards today. So that's what we're announcing.
Right. What do you see? What is the major benefit of this technology for customers?
I think that we've seen a trend where the development environment for customers is getting more and more complex. The microcontrollers are getting less expensive, more advanced. One customer told me that to start a project, for example in an ARM environment, you need to read 400 pages of documentation to get started. So this is a way to not only have a flexible development workflow as you get with our products, but also to increase the quality in the product early in the stage. So the benefit is really to focus on the right things and get quality with it. There's a lot of demand, especially in automotive, but also in pharmaceutical and medical applications, to have high level of security.
Right. Are your solutions designed for high performance applications or also for mainstream?
No, I think it is a product that's more generic. I think we have high performance in our products. I actually think that from a code generation point of view, and if you look at industry benchmarks like CoreMark, I think we have 7 or 8 world records today, so we have a very fast, efficient code. So not only do you produce a high quality code, you also have a very efficient and small code. So that is very interesting if you have, for example, power savings and energy saving applications or products to have a fast code. So I think it is a generic solution, even though the demand is perhaps more in some specific vertical markets, like automotive, as I mentioned before.
Right. What makes your solutions unique?
I think it's the uniqueness is that it's fully integrated. So if you look at the customer side today, if they want code quality, they can buy competitors on the code analysis side, but no one can really integrate it and know our environment. So it's really focusing our customers, listening to our customers, and give them a very easy way. No hassle about new installations, new integration.
They are easy to integrate.
It's already integrated, so it's in the product, so you can just start to use it right away. It's a very easy option scheme, so you can very easy get started. And if you know our product, which most of our customers do, and we have a very loyal customer base, they can just get code analysis in there. So either runtime or static analysis.
And what about security?
I think the security layer that we are currently discussing is most of it is related to the fact that we have a function safety offering. So in many of the security or high level of security demands, we see a demand for function safety. So we certified our ARM offering a couple of years ago, and we have extended that to Renaissance products as well, both the RX and RL78. So I think that we see an increasing demand. However, I would say that much of the talk here at the trade show on security is IoT related. So it's a lot of discussions about how we enter that and how we have security concerns, integrity concerns. So I think it's more a positioning from vendors than actually the customer demand. The customer demand on security and function safety is still for specific industries.
Talking about a little bit about strategy, what are your future plans?
I think we have changed. We're a 32-year-old company. We refocused the company. It started in 2005. We did another step in 2010, and we've been extremely successful in bringing profitability. We brought new products, new innovations. We're a public company in Sweden, so we have a chance to actually invest more in the product. So last year we achieved our long-term financial goal for the first time. which is of course great. So we're very profitable, we're a cash generator, but not saying that because to brag about the results. It's more the fact that we can actually invest in our products. So a third of our revenue is what we bring back to our products. So the strategy now is to increase the investments in new countries, open up new markets. We have 12 offices. We're definitely going to have a 13th and 14th. New products, new technologies. Right. We see a trend in ecosystem and consortia. So we're going to do some efforts in that area as well and invest. But lastly, I would say that we have a workforce of around 200 people. Many of them stayed in the company for many, many years. We have people being in the company as long as 30 years. And we want to make sure that we invest also in having the company live at least another 30 years. So invest in our current employees and our colleagues and continue to do that. So it's a lot of investments taking place with the start this year.
Great. Well, Stefan, thank you for this interview and for the insights in your company portfolio.
Thank you very much. Very nice meeting you.